I think the weatherman blew it again, folks. We got about a 16 to 18 mile-an-hour wind. Supposed to be 5 to 6. I mean, it's blowing. We got white caps right here in the bayou. Getting ready to head on out here. Just going to be two of us today. Big Rudy and Oneofthepack. Heading out Delacroix. Thursday morning. Kind of cloudy. I like that though. I like the overcast layout. And I think the wind's blowing because there's a little cloud right here. Hopefully that once that blows by, it'll calm down a little bit. We'll see, folks. Here we go. I think the weatherman blew it again, folks. We got about a 16 to 18 mile-an-hour wind. Supposed to be 5 to 6. I mean, it's blowing. We got white caps right here in the bayou. Getting ready to head on out here. Just going to be two of us today. Big Rudy and Oneofthepack. Heading out Delacroix. Thursday morning. Kind of cloudy. I like that though. I like the overcast layout. And I think the wind's blowing because there's a little cloud right here. Hopefully that once that blows by, it'll calm down a little bit. We'll see, folks. Here we go. Hi, folks. Wake up. Wake up. Beautiful Thursday morning, folks. Out here in Delacroix. Nice overcast day. Sun coming up. We just crossed a little lake, heading to the north-south pipeline. Right in front of us. GPS is working. And like this, folks, all we gotta do is dodge the crab traps. There's quite a few of them out here. Hey, folks, I got a manna right here. Biggest one I ever caught in a long time. Y'all can see them out there. Get my line. Just want to get a picture of them before I pop. There he is, folks. He's in my line now. That's over with. I'm gonna let him pop it. Shit, gonna break my pole. Oh, I don't want you. Alright, folks. Big Rudy got one up front. Gotta take off time to put his camera on. Ooh, look at the pole pull. Look at the pole pull.
Alright, guys, we're gonna hook into something here this morning. Under a cork, lemon head on it with a 16th-ounce jig head. Let's see what we get. Cat.
Cat?
Probably digging down. Yep, catfish.
Yep. Hard-headed gaff top. Gaff top, alright. Got gaff top, you got trout. That's the kind of shot I need when I'm duck hunting. About that close. That's some whistling ducks, that's what that is. Whistling ducks. Alright, folks. Big Rudy got something up front. Could be a red the way he caught it.
I think it's a red.
I just caught a trout here, so I was happy. Water looks a lot better here. Other spot was about kind of like a 2 on a scale of 1 to 7. It was a 2. Here's about a 4 plus. Come on, Big Rudy.
Ain't gotta be that small.
Huh? What?
Huh?
What you got?
I don't know. I ain't seen it yet.
Thought you seen it.
I said no. I said, yeah, I don't think you might not be that small now.
Well, he ain't small, I can tell you that.
So I can see what the hell you are.
Oh, gar.
Big garfish.
Gar?
Yep.
Man, you lucky.
Big garfish.
Catching everything today, folks.
gar.
Bring them on this side. Get them away from the line. Rudy catches everything, folks.
I'm telling you, boy, I'm lucky. I'm lucky like that.
With the net?
No, I don't want no net for that thing.
Oop, there he went. Oop, there he is, folks, right there.
This is fishing. 1/2 ounce jig here. I've got one here. I don't know what I got yet. Yeah, probably. That's the way my day's been going. Yeah, another kitty cat.
Kitty cat. All right, so I found me a nice little redfish, folks. Yes, sir. We're hanging in one spot. We found clean water. We're just trying to fish it right here. All right, folks, Rudy's got another garfish here. I just caught a hardhead. And he snagged a garfish here, about a 4-foot garfish, it looked like.
Gosh, we're gonna hook into another gar, it looks like.
What's the limit on gar, you know?
I have no clue. Oh, shit, that's
That little rod, folks. What kind of rod is that?
Falcon.
Falcon. You got a 1,000 pen battle?
2,000.
2,000 pen battle?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna be a while, folks.
You think? The sucker's a monster.
I told him we would catch a fish, just catch something at this spot, but then he caught a catfish and a hooked that snagged a gar.
A lot of garfish in here.
Right, folks. We figured out it wrong. It's a manta ray, second one today. I never caught these at Delacroix before. This is the first time I ever caught these out here. Another manta ray. Go ahead, boy.
Hopefully we got our first trout today.
Big Rudy got one here.
Nope, another kitty cat.
Catfish. That boy over there just ate a big old fish, folks. I wish I had my camera out quick enough. About a 12-foot alligator over there. Alligator over there. Got something in his mouth. Looks like a big garfish, or there you go. Watch him flip it off and eat it. Dang, folks. I think that's the female, because they got another couple of them around here. That big sucker over there, man. He's trying to eat something. Alright, folks, we're heading in. 11:30. It's not going to happen. We had 3 trout, 1 red, 2 manta rays, and 6 catfish. That's it. We're running in right now, heading towards Little Lake. Looks like we might get a little wet. Beautiful day though, I love it. Alright, folks, that's the day. Just got weather on the way in.